While developing cool websites, you will often face CSS bugs. And if you are not familiar with debugging tools and techniques, then it is hard to resolve the bugs. Hey there tech buddies, welcome back to IMS Coding. So in today's video, we are going to explore debugging tools and techniques to make our coding life much easier. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So first, let's start with browser developer tools. Right now, I am using Chrome. So to open developer tools, right click here and then scroll down and click on inspect. After that, you will find this sidebar of developer tools. After seeing this, maybe you will get confused because it's too complex, but don't worry. We are only going to learn about some of the tools that are in the scope of this course. So here you can see the first tab is Elements. Here in this tab, you can see your entire HTML code. So here I am expanding the container, and when you hover over an element, then it will highlight that particular element on the page. You can see when I hover on this form, then it's getting highlighted on the page. From here, you can also edit the HTML. Just need to double click on where you want to edit. So see here, if I want to change this login to IMS, like this, you can edit the HTML only for this session. It will not getting saved in our HTML file. In the right side, you will find a new tab of styles. This tab is responsible for your CSS styling. You need to first select an element from the Elements tab. So here I have selected the H1, and then here in this Style tab, you can see the CSS of this element. So the CSS of selected element is margin bottom 10 pixel and text align center. Also, from here, you can modify the CSS live and see the changes instantly. So let's add a property. I'm adding background color property and changing the color to green. So on the web page, you can see the changes instantly. Now let's see the box model. So when I hover over an element, then you will notice that particular element is getting highlighted. So from here, you can see the margin, border, padding and content of that particular element. So we can use it to identify spacing issues. For example, see this form div. Here you can see the margin and padding of this div, which is highlighted by light green and light yellow color. If I want to change the margin and padding to see how it looks before doing the changes in the code, then I can simply do that from the Style tab. So let's change the margin. So I'm changing the margin of this div to 40 pixel, and you can see the margin of this box is increased now. The next thing is the Console tab. Console tab is very useful for debugging. Here you can see the errors and issues. So let's see an example. So here in our HTML code, I am knowingly typing the wrong name of our CSS file. So instead of style, I am typing styles. You can see in the file section, we don't have any file named styles. Let's go back to the browser, and here in the Console tab, you can see the error saying refuse to apply the style from this file. So from here, you can see the path of the file and then you can easily debug it. So that's it for today's video. I hope you found this video helpful. Apply these methods and techniques to write more readable, faster and bug-free CSS code. If you want the source code, then please do check out in the description. This video is a part of our HTML and CSS Beginners Guide course. So please do check out our playlist. Like this video, share it with your friends. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, click the subscribe button and press the bell icon. I'll see you in the next video. Happy coding, everyone.